Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name's Nicole and I like to create fashion DIY videos. And in today's video, I'll be sharing with you my new favorite winter layering piece that I DIY'd out of these affordable white long sleeves. I wanted to do two variations, one variation with a turtleneck and one with a crew neck. Essentially, I'm doing the same thing to both of them. I just wanted to give you options and variety. So the idea behind this is to create a thermal bodysuit, something that I can wear underneath my clothes, that it reduces bulk, but still adds extra warmth for the winter. Now, a thermal bodysuit is not groundbreaking by any means. You can definitely buy one. I know Uniqlo sells one, but I just wanted to create a more affordable option, and I also wanted an excuse to change a regular shirt into a bodysuit. So if you'd like to see tips on how to layer for the winter featuring these items, please give this video a thumbs up so I know to film one for the future. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. It would really mean a lot to me if you would stick around and hit that subscribe button down below. So let's get into the video.
So I purchased this turtleneck from Uniqlo, and as you can see, it's a size large, so it's obviously a bit big on me, but I needed it to be long enough so I could snap it at the bottom. I also purchased this crew neck long sleeve from Old Navy. This is in a size medium, and it's also a little bit too big for me, but I am going to fix that. Starting with the turtleneck inside out, I matched up a bodysuit I already own to my white shirt. Since I am working with white fabric and don't have fabric markers, I'm going to use pins to mark its place. And then I just used my judgment to taper the arms to fit my body. So I attempted to move the crotch down to give it a little bit more coverage, but unfortunately, it still wasn't enough. Next, I sewed my arms and my side seams. After trying it on and being happy with the fit, it was time to cut. I cut off the excess seam allowance as well as along the pins that marked the leg line. I then pinned the raw hem up 1/4 inch and sewed using a zigzag stitch. Then the last step was to hand stitch these two snaps to the crotch. So unfortunately, I cut the leg line too high, so this was something that I had to correct for the second bodysuit, but aside from that, I love the way it fit me throughout the body. So moving on to the crew neck, I essentially did the same thing as the first bodysuit, using an existing one to get the right shape, but this time I made sure to lower the pins in the crotch for more coverage. For this bodysuit, the strap in the crotch wasn't long enough, so I extended it by cutting excess fabric the same width and sewed it into place. Then folded up the raw edge 1/4 inch and sewed it with the zigzag stitch to give it some extra stretch. Then the last step was to hand stitch these two snaps to the crotch. So I went to New York City this past week and I actually wore the crew neck bodysuit under almost every single thing that I wore, and it kept me so warm. This is also a really great way to get some extra wear out of those old long sleeves sitting in your closet. So if you liked this video, please let me know down below, and thank you so much for watching. And if you would like to see more, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next week. Bye!